All right, guys. It's going to be cat versus dog. And I got a little incentive for you. Are you ready? Oh, Stu's already winning. Leo's dialed in. I think you're ready for it this time, buddy. Kitty doesn't seem to be too interested. What do you think? You want to try round one? Come get it, Leo. You can do it, buddy. You can do it. You just gotta jump over. Oh, Stu's gonna help you. Come get it. What a good boy. Oh. Stu gets his. Good boy. There you go. Good job. Round two, buddy. Come get it. Come get it, Leo boy. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Uh-oh. Stu's interfering. Leo, come get it. Come get it, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Come get it. Leo boy. Leo boy. Leo boy. Come on, buddy. Good boy. There you go. Wow, you're quite the jumper. That was amazing. Round two, Stu. Good kitty. Here you go. Leo, are you ready? You never made it this far, buddy. Round three. Come on, dude. You can get it, little puppy. Come get it. Leo, come get this steak. You in it? You're in it to win it, buddy. You're winning. You're winning. Come get it. Come here, good boy. Come get it. Come get it. I've seen you jump other dogs. I've seen you jump chairs. You can do this. Leo boy. Leo boy. Leo boy. You can. Oh, good boy. That was amazing. That was amazing, big guy. Round three. Whoa. You are catching on, my friend. Round four. Are you waiting to see what the prize is? Here it is. Some big juicy, some little juicy steak. Can you do it? I know you can, buddy. Leo boy, Leo boy. Come get it. Are you trying to think it over there? Trying to think it to you? Who's a good boy? Who wants their steak? Come get it. Come get it. Come get it, big guy. Are you going to be stopped at round four? Come get it, Leo. Come get it. You can do it. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Well, come on. Good boy. I'm so proud of you. Buddy, you are a master now. Round four. Whoa. Leo, you got a contender, buddy. Good job, Stewie. For the bonus round, round five. Come on, buddy. You can beat the cat. Yeah, that guy. Whoa! I'm not sure how to call that. Come on, Leo. Come get your reward. Come get your reward. Come on, Leo. Come get it before Kitty gets it. Here you go, Stu. Come get it, Leo. Yay! Everybody's kind of a winner. Everybody's kind of a winner. Good job, Stu. Good job, Leo. Leo, you conquered the tape, buddy. You conquered the tape. Let's see this face. You conquered the tape. Now you get to smell steak all over your face. I apologize. All right. Everybody gets a little extra. He's jumping back over looking for more. Here. Good job. All right. I think it's a tie. Sort of. What do you guys think?